Hello and welcome back to the Beer Dog Reviews. As always, I'm Chris and we've got a beer from Thornbridge for you today. Picked this one up at Tesco Express, £2 for the can, 330ml can, but currently part of their 3 for £5 deal, and it is Jaipur. I have heard some very good things about this beer, my first time trying it, so we'll see what it's like. Comes in at 5.9%. Let's have a look at the can. So, hops we have Chinook, Centennial, Arcanum, Simcoe, Columbus, Cascade. That's quite a mix there. Should be nice. Let's hope. The ingredients: water, barley, wheat, hops, yeast. What more do you need? Let's get it out into a glass. A little lively. Must have jiggled about as I brought it back from the shop, so that does stop any sign of any smoke, but that's okay. Let's have a look at it. So, we have perfectly clear straw coloured beer, very pale straw coloured beer, no hint of gold on there at all, 2 fingers of nice fluffy white head, slow moving carbonation, not an awful lot, certainly looks nice, doesn't it? The aroma. Getting some sort of Southeast Asian sort of aroma there. Coriander, but predominantly lemongrass. It's really nice. Very different. Definite lemongrass. What does it say on here? Straw coloured, yep. You can see that. Honey and lemongrass. I'm not getting the honey actually. No, they said that it pairs well with the Thai curry. Yep, I could see that. Should get lemon zest on the taste. Well, we'll soon see. The last bit out. Do we get anything else on the aroma? A little bit of citrus, and it is that lemony citrus, obviously with the lemongrass aroma that comes out. That does make sense. So, coriander, lemongrass, bit of lemon peel. Smells zesty and refreshing. Have a look at the taste. Ooh. Lemon. Lots of lemon. It's a really drying beer. Makes you want to go in for that second mouthful. Definite spiciness in there. It's not a hot spice, it's not a sweet spice, it's that really savoury spice. The coriander, that sort of nice, almost a crunchy spice, if you know what I mean. You have the backbone of a curry, if you like. But it's on the leafy edge. It's not a coriander seed in there. It's a definite coriander. Yeah, coriander leaf. Bit of no. It's almost a hint of turmeric or galangal. It's very slight. To get those sort of really rich, spicy flavours, lemony, spicy, all from hops. That's a talent. And you can tell why this goes well with a Thai curry. Hell, that'd go well with any curry. It's really crisp, really refreshing, holds its head fairly well. Yeah, it's dropped down to about half a finger, but it really does hold it. So refreshing. That's a very, very... Oh. Tyrion's just moved the tripod there. Do apologise. It's a really, really refreshing, crisp IPA. Very nice. And 5.9%. Really nice beer. Oh. There it is, that's Jaipur. See, I've seen many others have reviewed this and I thought, I've got to try that. Glad I have. Cheers to you all. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe down there. And as always, links to my Twitter, Instagram and Facebook down in the description box below. And I'll see you all again next time. Happy drinking.